Ryder Cup performance was definitely the most memorable experience I've had in Only Boys Allowed. I mean, just walking onto the stage and seeing that many people in the audience, I couldn't believe it.
You know, such a big stage, all of your friends around you, is a great feeling.
They pack so much into one rehearsal. You know, you learn so many songs and all the moves and everything, and the teaching is absolutely brilliant.
I think we all enjoy each other's company and everything. Just expected to make this great noise with your friends.
It's not as if we just go there and, you know, and just sing. We have a physical warm-up first. You know, we have a chat and a bit of a nap there before we actually sing, and it's, you know, it's like 3,000 people we sang to, and, you know, it was down to us to put on a good show and make Tim proud, and
we got there in the end.
Everybody expects the people in Only Boys Allowed to be a bunch of, you know, little choir boys and stuff, not very cool and stuff like that. I mean, look at us, we're pretty cool. So
check us out.
Only Boys Allowed.